Alright, it is time for the infamous Beautylish New Year surprise bag. I have not opened this. We're doing this live. This is the XL. I've never gotten this one before. Last year I forgot to set an alarm, so I didn't get any. And the last few years before that, I got the regular size. So, this is my first time getting the really big one. I think it was $150 for like 300. This is the lucky bag. They always do cute packaging. 2023, Year of the Rabbit. And cute paper. Alright. So, outside of that, don't know what's in here. This box is not very big. It's not very heavy. When I've gotten the regular size ones, I feel like they were like this. But, could be wrong. Can't remember. But let's see. Only thing I'm worried about is getting stuff I already have. So, take out the black. And then everything's like in this one bubble mailer. That's how it was last time I got one of these 2 years ago. So, we'll find the opening. Figure out what's in here. More black paper. Okay. Alright. Let's see. I see a Good Molecules product, which is Beautylish's line, so that's not surprising. You can recognize the packaging. This is Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil, formulated with camellia, sea buckthorn oils to hydrate, protect, and nourish. Okay. I will accept that. I don't have that. But they always put in a Good Molecules product. That's just how it is. Let's see. What's next? Ooh, Holifrog Situational Skincare. That's interesting. Grand Amino Cushion Cream. Soothe and strengthen. I have a cleanser from them, like a multivitamin for your face. Okay, nice. Moisturizer. Situational, though. Like, what situation do you have to be in for it to mean something? Okay, what's next? Looks like Charlotte Tilbury, based on the color. It is. Ooh, the Easy Eye Palette for the Charlotte, say, Darling look. Okay. I only have one Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow. It's a quad. So definitely don't have this, whatever it is. I have a lot of her face products and some skincare. Let's see. Okay. Can we open this? Oh, okay. It's numbered. I took the plastic off. This looks like some... I don't have my ring light out here. It's just in the living room today. But it just looks like your basic eye color. It's not bad. I mean, it's not something I would typically buy. It's not anything super exciting, but this is, yeah, Easy Eye Palette for the Charlotte Darling look. Oh, so you got a day eye and a date eye. Cute. Alright. Well, nice. So far, so good. No repeats. Okay. What else is in here? What's this? Ooh, a brush. I love getting brushes. Usually they're really high quality, like the Goss or the Sonia G. Which one is this? This says Japan Designer Pro. Or, yeah, Sonia G. Sonia G. It's a nice big brush. Alright. So, I've got a brush. What else is in here? The lipstick. Oh. The Luxury Cream Lipstick. Carnation. I think that is this Goss? That's the only brand I know of that we call it something like that. Let's see. Goss makeup artist. Yep. Okay. I've never tried anything Goss. I used to watch him a lot. Haven't in a long time. Just not too interested in what he's been doing in the last, year or so. Okay. Wayne Goss. Let's see what color this is. Ooh. Okay. Nothing too special, but hey, if the formula is good, that's what matters. Okay. Don't have any of that, so don't mind the squeaking. It's my dog. Alright, what's next? Oh, this is the same color. So I'm guessing this might be like a lip liner, eyeliner from Wayne Goss. Wayne Goss. Ooh, okay, lip liner. The Essential Lip Pencil. What color is this in? Natural Berry. Okay. I actually just organized all my lip liners, which I will do a video on because I need to actually organize like all my lip products. The Essential Lip Pencil. And Berry. I'm not going to swatch this right now. So I'm in the living room and I have a jumpy dog. Who knows where this would end up. Okay, so lip pencil. Probably look good with that lipstick. Nice. Okay, what's this? This feels like, okay, one product, endless uses. A clean cream-based formula that is unique for cheek and lip. Ugh. Blend it out to a soft wash of color or build in intensity for bolder payoff. The soft, whipped, multi-use formula starts out as a satin and transforms to a comfortable, modern matte. Jojoba and linseed oil condition and soften skin. Okay. What is this? Color Haze multi-use pigment from Ilia. Okay. Well, I might have one product from Ilia. I don't know though, but it's not a brand I'm very familiar with. Okay. What color are you? Stutter. I don't want to, like I said, I'm not swatching anything, but let's see what we could see. Oh, the applicator is one of those like cooling ones. Okay. Well, I'll have to report back on this. So I'm not about to get this on my dog. Okay. Nice. So, doing so far so good. No repeats. Alright. Ooh. Busy Art. I have 2 Viseart palettes. I have a quad. No, not a quad. There are 2 minis. And then it's definitely not one of these. This is the Petit for Bouillon. I don't speak French. Let's see. We have, looks like some really sparkly colors and a darker color. Ooh, okay. So this is just one of the quads. So let's take a look and see. Ooh, got the plastic. Okay, this is cute. This kind of makes me think of that Natasha Denona Baby Gold that I got. It's like the same colors. Perfect. Throw in a purse, travel, whatever the case may be. Okay, put that back in. That's cute. Okay, no repeats still. No repeats. Doing good. Okay, I see this big slip box here. I like slip. I like their scrunchies. I have their eye masks. Let's see what this is. Slip. What are you? I have to get the plastic off to find out. Yeah, they have some goods. They even have an eye mask now that's for if you have like eyelash extensions or if you just didn't take your eyelashes off because you're tired. It has like kind of a space for that. I haven't used it yet because I haven't needed to, but it's out there if you need one. Okay, Pure Silk Sleep Mask. Okay. Never have too many sleep masks. Always sleeping. Ooh, and it says the color is plum. Ooh, purple is my favorite color. How did you know? How did you know? And how can I open this? Struggles. Okay. Ooh. So it's just, it's like reflective. This packaging. It's just a purple silk sleep mask. Cute. Okay. Definitely have sleep mask, but can always use another one. I gotta remember to wash mine. You get, it's like your skincare on it, you know, when you wear them. So wash yours periodically if you haven't. Okay, I think this is the last item. Last item. Ooh, Oribe Featherbalm Weightless Styler. Okay, I don't have this. I have a lot of Oribe products, but I don't have this one. Nice. Come out. Okay. Ooh. Pretty. I do need a weightless styler, so my hair is very fine. Okay. Well, yeah. Designed for finer hair textures. How did you know, Beautylish? Yeah, these bags are like random, so they don't know anything about you or what you like. Look at this paper. Oh, that's cute. Oh, there's like a hedgehog, or they don't have that long of noses, do they? Pink dolphin, a moose, the love sign, New York, a pretzel. Ooh, this is cute, and you can totally take this out and use this. Like, it's not even, you know, like, used. Ooh, a panda. Nice. The scissors. So that's pretty cool that they do that. But yes, I think this is pretty successful. I will put the prices in the description. I'm gonna look them all up on Beautylish, and we'll find out how much stuff I got for what I paid. Again, this is the XL lucky bag. So my first time getting it. I mean, I'm just surprised no duplicates. I was thinking it's gonna be Natasha Denona palettes. It's gonna be Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, you know, all that stuff, and I already have all that stuff. So yeah, very successful, and we'll see if the monetary value is to my liking. If you got a bag, tell me what you got. Tell me what you like. If you didn't get a bag, tell me why not. I've thought about not getting one because I have so much stuff. But it's just fun. It's just fun. So, hope you're having a good day out there. Watch out for Friday the 13th tomorrow. Peace out.